Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I am gonna explain you examine the problem of small scale industries in India. Sir, having said that, agriculture means primary sector and secondary means industrial sector and territory means service sector. First, you should try to understand the question. Question is examine the problem of small scale industries in India. The small scale industries, which play an important role in the Indian economy, are facing some problem. They are explained below. It means, sir, India is remain developing country. We don't have much money, sir. Lack of finance, scarcity. These all are the reasons, sir. Here, small scale industry is the suitable industry for developing countries like India. First point, problems. First point, finance. The small scale industries in India are facing acute shortage of finance. Here, acute means very great, large in size, sir. There is no finance facilities in the country. Next point, shortage of raw material. The small scale units have been facing problems like availability of inadequate quantity, poor quality, irregular supply of raw materials. It seriously affect the functioning of small scale units. Here, inadequate quantity means not enough, sir. The small scale units have been facing problems means, sir, we don't have that much of raw materials, sir. Poor quality, irregular supply of raw materials. And third point is idle capacity. Here idle means not wanted to work hard, sir. Lazy. There is underutilization of installed capacity to the extent of 40 to 50% in case of small scale industries. Shortage of raw materials, lack of funds, power cuts are the reasons for this. Mean we have 100% installation capacity, but just we are installing 40 to 50%. This is the reason, sir. Technology. The small scale industries in India are still technically backward. They lack necessary funds to modernize their funds. They are confronted means come face to face with the problem of less production, poor quality, higher cost of production. Technically backward, sir. Just try to understand. If we have technology, cost of production is lesser. If you don't have technology, cost of production increases due to lack of technology. Marketing. Small scale industries are also exposed to marketing problems in India. They have no organized marketing facilities. Means organized markets means which are managed by the government, sir. They mostly depend on middlemen. Sometimes they face competition from large scale units in marketing their products. Moreover, many small scale units cannot spend more money on advertisement and publicity. Now also 33% of population living below poverty lines, sir. Here, small scale units don't have that much of money, sir. Small scale units cannot spend more money on advertisement and publicity. Infrastructure. Sixth point, just remember here infrastructure means not only industries, education, medical, health, transportation, everything will be included in this. Road, transportation. Okay. There is inadequate quantity, availability of transportation. We are developed but not well developed. Communication, power and other facilities. The poor infrastructure facilities adversely affecting the working of the small scale units. Thus, their operation will become uneconomical and unviable. Here, sir, unviable means not capable of working successfully. We are developed but not well developed, sir. Managerial competence. Many small scale units are turned sick due to lack of managerial competence on the part of entrepreneurs. Here, entrepreneur means a person who newly start the business. There is no managerial skills, there is no skilled persons because of small scale industries established in remote backward areas. That is the main reason we are facing lack of managerial skilled persons. Here, sir, skilled manpower. Small scale units located in the remote backward area are facing the problem of skilled workers, or they may not be available there because of these industries established in backward areas, villages. That's why here there is no skilled labors. There is no availability of skilled labors. Small scale units located in the remote backward area are facing the problem of skilled workers as they may not be available there. Last points are poor project planning. It is another points are poor project planning. It is another problem in India. The small entrepreneurs do not give much importance to viability studies. Here, viability studies means viability studies is an in-depth study that try to determine how profitable a business idea is. That is called as viability studies. Project feasibility analysis is not at all given